Alter table. In this video, we will learn what is alter table, how to add a new column in existing table, how to drop column and modify column in existing table. What is alter table? If we want to make changes in structure of a table, that's called alter table. The alter table statement is used to add, delete or modify column in an existing table. The alter table statement is also used to add and drop various constraints on an existing table. Let's see the syntax of alter table. Alter table add column. So here you can see the syntax. Of adding column in an existing table. Alter table, table name, add column name and then data type. So let's see how can we do this in SQL Server. First we will open our editor and from here we will select database. Inside this database we have one table, student data, and here we have already 3 columns. Now I want to add a new column, fee, in this existing table. So for that what we will do, alter table and table name, student data, then add new column name, that would be fee, and then data type. Alright, so alter table, table name, add fee and then data type. Select this and execute. Command completed successfully. Select columns and refresh this. You can see a new column is added. So right now you had just added a new column using SQL query. You can add new column from here as well. So first select your table, right click your table and then click on design. So here you will find your all existing columns. Now here you can add a new column. Registration date. From here you can select your data type. So here we have date. Alright, then right click on this tab and then save student, right, and then come here and then refresh your table, and inside column you can find your new column. So like this you can add a new column in an existing table. Alter table, drop column. If you want to delete a column from an existing table, for that we use drop column. So the syntax is alter table, table name, drop column, then column name. Let's see how can we do that. So here we have one existing table, student data. So let's remove this column age. So how can we do that? Alter table, table name, student data, then drop column and then column name. I want to drop column age, then semicolon. Select this and execute this. See, your command completed successfully. Select your table and then refresh this. Expand columns and you can see the age is removed from here. Alright. So as you had removed your column using SQL query, so you can remove from here as well. So select your column and then right click, and here you will find delete option. Select this and then OK. Alright, so your column is removed from here as well. Alter table, alter or modify column. So if you want to make changes in data type of an existing column of existing table, for that we use alter or modify column syntax. So the syntax is alter table, table name, alter column, then column name and the data type. So let's see how can we do this in SQL Server. So here we have this column registration date. So I want to change the data type of this registration date and I want to make it varchar. So how can you do that? So alter table, student data, table name, alter column, then column name, registration date, and then data type. All right. Now select the query and then execute. Command completed successfully. Select columns and refresh this. You can see it changed the data type. Now you just change the data type of this column using query. The same thing you can do it from here as well. So for that what we will do, right click on this, modify. So here you can see data type of registration date is varchar. Now again I want to make it date. So select this and here you will find date. Alright. Now right click on this tab and then save student data. Right. Now again come here on columns and refresh this. So you can see the data type of this column has been changed. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned what is AlterTable and how to add a new column in existing table and how to drop and modify a column on an existing table using SQL query and directly using SQL Server management tool. Thank you.